to create an OpenCV logo using OpenCV itself. So this is how the OpenCV logo looks like. We have a red ellipse here, a green one, and a blue one. So let's first create a Python file, OpenCV logo.py. I will import CV2 and numpy. First, I will create an image using numpy. So I will call it image numpy.full. I will give it the shape of the image. For example, if I want to have an image with shape 512 with 3 channels, it will be, I want it to fill it with white color, so I will give it 255, and the data type I want it to be np.uint8. Let's show this image. We'll give it a name for the window and cv2.wait key, and I will give it 0. I will come here and run the code Python OpenCV logo. So this is how the image looks like. I want to put here I want to make it like this image. So we'll have here a red ellipse here and the green one, and here the blue one. Let's start by the first one, the red one. So it will be cv2.ellipse on the image. I will give it the coordinate of this ellipse. So if I give it, for example, 200 and 100, we can adjust it later. And the length of the axis of this ellipse, I will give them, for example, equals 19 to have a circle. And I will make it start from the angle 120 and from 0 to 300, and its color will be the red 155, and it will be filled with this color. So let's show it. So now we have this one. We can move it a little bit to this side to make it in the middle, and we need to make here like for example a circle inside it, but with the white color. So let's do it. I will move it here, like for example 200. To make it in the middle, I can give it 256, and I will make a circle inside it. So ellipse the image with the same center, 256 and 100, and I will give it 30 and 30 with the same angle, 120 and 0 till 300, but with the white color, and it will be filled also. Let's see it. So now it is looking like this one here. We can make it bigger, it depends on our choice. Now let's create another one for the green and another one for the blue. Let's come here, copy this one and paste it here. I will change the coordinates. So I will make this, for example, 160, and I will give this, for example, 300. The same here, 60 and 300 here. And let's change this from 120 to 0, and here also to 0, and change also the color to green color, make this 0 and this always being white. the same color as the original image. So now we have the green part here, and we need to create the blue part. Let's change the coordinate here. So I will keep the same vertical coordinate. I will change this one, for example, to let's say 300, for example, and I will change also this one here, make them 300 and 300, and I will change the color to the blue. So let's run it. So now we need to move this a little bit to the right side. So I will make this, for example, 400, 400, and so on. So now it's good, but we still need a little bit more modifications to be the same as the OpenCV logo. I will make this, for example, 360, 360, and I will make this 400 to have a space for writing OpenCV above all this. I will make this also 200 and this 200. So now it's good, isn't bad. Let's write here OpenCV above it. We'll put here cv2.putText, take the image, and the text I'll give it OpenCV, and the origin, for example, if I give it 50 and let's say for example 80, and the font face cv2.font simplex and 1, and the color, let's make it black color, and the thickness I will make it with 3 thickness. Let's run the code. You can see it here. We can modify this to put it here. So I can come here and saying 200, for example, or 200, and here I can make it 100, and I can also make this 1.5, for example, and I can change also the thickness to have it more thicker. So now is good. I can make this to 70, have some space between the image and the text. So now it isn't bad, it's good. We can save the image, saying here cv2.imwrite and giving it name, for example, data, to save it in this folder. I will name it OpenCV logo.jpg or png, and save the image. Let's run the code, and now it is saved here in this folder.